Hi, I'm Lisa with iHeart Pacific Northwest. In this video, I'll show how I created my DIY gravity water filter system for backpacking. Links for all of the products mentioned are in the video description. Why use a gravity system? Pumping or squeezing water through a filter is one of my least favorite chores when backpacking, so I prefer to let gravity do the work. This is especially beneficial when filtering large quantities of water. Rather than buying a pre-made gravity system, I decided to build my own to customize it to my needs. Here's how it works. Collect dirty water to be filtered, attach a water filter, then add a piece of hose to go from the filter to a clean water storage bag. Hang or place the dirty water bag higher than the clean water bag, and gravity will pull water through the filter. Note that while you don't need to use a piece of tubing, it does work much faster when using it. This is the gear that I use, but this setup is flexible for use with other filters like the Sawyer Squeezer Mini, and it can also be set up to filter directly into a hydration bladder. The total weight of my setup is 8 ounces, and the cost is just under $60. For collecting water, I use a 2-liter Canuck Vecto, which features a wide top opening for easy filling and a 28mm threaded bottom for attaching a filter. I added a short cord at the top to hang it for filtering. For a water filter, I'm using a Hydro Blue VersaFlow. This filter has a fast flow rate, a clear window so you can see when it needs cleaning, and end caps to keep water from leaking when carrying the filter in your backpack. I also like that it's easy to backflush by reversing the gravity setup. I use an 18-inch long piece of silicone hose that came with my Hydro Blue filter, but I've also used hoses made for hydration bladders. To connect it to my clean water bag, I use an inline adapter. For water storage, I use collapsible canteen bags from Hydro Blue. I prefer these bags since they fold up for stowing in my pack, and they have a handle at the top that makes carrying a full bag of water easier. And that's it, a versatile gravity system that works with multiple gear options. Thanks for watching.